Back again. Shit. Brilliant. Yeah, I'm still on my nature walk, but fuck. It's like very muddy. Yeah, it's well, let me check the time. It's 6 o'clock now, and yeah. I'm just making my way back home now. So let's see how this goes, shall we? Just make my way down here. Oh, honest to God, like, this is fucking bullshit. Oh boy, that's steep. Alright, I gotta do this while drop my phone. This is quite dangerous, but whatever. Well, whatever, yeah, you famous last words, I guess. Oh, Jesus. This is becoming a hobby of mine, you know, just like going on these nature walks and whatnot. Actually, it clears my mind, and it probably does to everyone else. Oh, look, it's my shadow. Oh. Battery's running a bit low, so I'm going to squeeze as much footage as I can. Honestly, this isn't the first time I've been up here. I went here a couple of weeks ago. My family took the dogs up here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a lot drier than this as well, so yeah. And of all the days I could have picked to walk, it'd have to be this one. Especially on a fucking Monday. Isn't that glorious, innit? Yeah. Sod that. I will try to make more videos like this, but it depends on how I feel though, because well, I'll just let you know when I start. I guess it's gonna be major, innit? I can hear the ice cream van. There's a railway track. Sorry. Oh, it feels like a bloody snake's gonna come on and bite me. Wouldn't that be fun? You know, I'm getting all the poison now. I'm trying not to die. Oh no, a tree fell over. Oh, that's sad. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, what the fuck is that? And you see what? I don't think it matters actually. Looks like a bloody pillowcase or whatever. This is honestly keeping me entertained, so. I mean, not that the walk's not entertaining me, it's just kind of relaxes me more than a fidget spinner. And no, I do not have one, if you're asking. I don't even want a fidget spinner, I don't care. I honestly don't. But if I get the chance to, then I will, but at the moment I just don't want one. Oh, well, that's just fucking brilliant, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna... Well, I'm back, and my fucking shoes are muddy. Great. Just fucking brilliant. It just had to be Monday, didn't it? Well, I think it's time I put my journey to an end, so I'll see you guys later.